Jeep Wrangler versus automatic car wash. Yay or nay? Hey everyone, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Mama, and today I'm going to share with you why it's not a good idea to take your Jeep Wrangler through an automatic car wash. Instead, you need to give it some TLC by washing it yourself. When you wash your Jeep, you're going to be inspecting it for things that you may find you need to fix on your Jeep, rust spots or leaks. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 hacks to keep everything clean on your Jeep, to keep it lasting longer so you can enjoy more time out on the trails, on the roads with your Jeep. A link to my top 5 cleaning hacks is in the description below. Now, on to why it's a bad idea to run your Jeep Wrangler through an automatic car wash. Your soft top needs that extra special care. You need to avoid automatic car washes because those brushes can do damage to your vinyl windows by leaving scrapes with dirt left behind from other vehicles. This is also true with the paint on your Jeep or any vehicle. That dirt left behind from another vehicle on those brushes can cause damage to your paint. The brushless car washes can also do damage to your Jeep soft top. They have high pressure water nozzles coming from all different directions and could start leaking into your Jeep. Something else that can do damage to your soft top at those automatic or manual car washes are the soaps they use. The chemicals in those soaps can cause damage to your soft top, weakening it. What I like to do when I'm at those manual car washes, I just rinse off my soft top and wash the rest of my Jeep. And when I get home, I like to use these Best Top products. Best Top has products specifically made for your soft top. All you need to do is read the directions on the back. An automatic car wash can't get inside your frame to keep it clean. A must-do to keep your Jeep healthy. A do-it-yourself wash guarantees your Jeep's bling and aftermarket accessories are protected. For more Jeep Life with Jeep Mama, head over to my blog at jeepmama.com.